raindrops fall in on the beautiful land, etching light marks on the water's surface. The sound of rain touching the heart's roof, releasing gentle rain, giving a tender feeling. Rain brings a tender feeling, drowning in the shadows of raindrops. Life is beautiful because of the rain, making our hearts happy. The scorching sunset, listening to the sound of rain falling on the ground. Remembering the time we were under the shelter, erasing the titles of value. Rain brings a tender feeling, drowning in the shadows of raindrops. Life is beautiful because of the rain, making our hearts happy. Making our hearts happy. Rain brings a tenderness, making us think of the past. Suddenly rain falls deep in the heart, guiding us to a place of dreams. Rain brings a tender feeling, drowning in the shadows of raindrops.